Welcome to Men's Zone. Today, we're diving into the world of dairy specifically, fermented dairy, and its impact on your gut. Not all dairy is created equal, and fermented options can be a game changer for your microbiome. We're exploring the science and taste behind gut-healing dairy with 5 protein-rich recipes: yogurt, kefir, and more. Fermentation transforms simple milk into a nutritional powerhouse, packed with beneficial bacteria. We'll break down the how, the why, and the delicious. Get ready to rethink your breakfast and build a better gut, one spoonful at a time. From Greek yogurt to kefir, prepare to have your palate and your perceptions transformed. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a breakfast staple that's as versatile as it is nutritious: Greek yogurt. We're not just talking about any yogurt here. We're diving into the creamy, dreamy world of Greek yogurt, a true champion in the breakfast arena. It's the protein-packed star, a nutritional powerhouse that will keep you feeling full and energized for hours. You can find it reigning supreme in the dairy aisle. But what exactly sets Greek yogurt apart from its regular counterparts? What makes it Greek? It's all about the process: straining, a simple yet transformative step. This removes whey and lactose, reducing the sugar content and making it easier to digest for some. The result is leaving a dense, creamy, luxurious texture that's simply irresistible. And of course, a high-protein base, essential for muscle building and overall health. But the benefits don't stop there. It's also loaded with probiotics, those friendly bacteria that work wonders for your digestive system. Now let's elevate this Greek yogurt to Parfait perfection. Layer it with berries. This will give you a boost of fiber and antioxidants, protecting your cells from damage and keeping you feeling vibrant. Don't forget a sprinkle of chia or flaxseed. These are packed with prebiotics, fuel for your gut bacteria, helping them thrive and keeping your digestive system happy. And for that satisfying crunch and added nutrition, add nuts or seeds. They're a great source of healthy fats, more protein, keeping you fuller for longer, and that satisfying crunch we all crave. Assemble: yogurt, berries, nuts, repeat. It's that simple. It's quick, perfect for those busy mornings, and it's completely customizable so you can tailor it to your taste preferences and dietary needs. The best part? It takes just 5 minutes to whip up. Making your own parfait means you control every single ingredient that goes into it. You have the power to control the sugar and ingredients, ensuring there are no hidden sweeteners or fillers lurking in your breakfast. Every layer serves a purpose: protein for satiety, keeping those hunger pangs at bay; probiotics for gut health, supporting a thriving microbiome; and fiber for digestion, keeping things moving smoothly. This isn't just breakfast, it's a strategic, delicious way to start your day. It's a gut-friendly meal that nourishes your body from the inside out. Healthy eating can be simple and smart, and incredibly satisfying. Ready for something with a little fizz? Let's explore kefir, a fermented dairy drink enjoyed for centuries. It's the tangy cousin of yogurt, ready to add a zing to your day. Kefir gets its magic from kefir grains. These grains are living colonies of bacteria and yeast, transforming milk into a nutritional powerhouse. They ferment milk into a probiotic-rich drink that's beneficial for your gut health. Kefir boasts a remarkable diversity of beneficial bacteria, contributing to its unique health-promoting properties. Making kefir is surprisingly easy. Add grains to milk, then let it ferment at room temperature for a day or two. Strain the kefir to separate the grains and repeat the process. For a smoothie, kefir makes an excellent base, adding a creamy texture and a boost of probiotics. Simply blend kefir with banana and mango. Don't forget to add a handful of spinach for fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Adjust the thickness of your smoothie by adding more kefir or ice. You'll have a customizable, protein-packed, probiotic powerhouse that's ready to fuel your day. Kefir's diversity of probiotic cultures supports a wide range of health benefits. It aids in digestion and strengthens immunity. So, drink your fizz, fuel your gut, and embrace the power of kefir. Cottage cheese is back, no longer just a diet food but a protein superstar. Look for cultured or live and active cultures on the label for gut-friendly probiotics. Start with full-fat cultured cottage cheese for creaminess and satiety. Top with fresh berries for fiber and antioxidants, plus walnuts or pecans for crunch and healthy fats. A drizzle of honey or a dash of cinnamon adds flavor, but let the berries shine. For a savory twist, try tomatoes, olive oil, and herbs. Cottage cheese is a blank canvas, get creative. It's a simple, no-cook, high-protein meal for your muscles and your microbiome. Sometimes the best health foods are the classics. Let's explore Labneh, a creamy yogurt cheese that's a Middle Eastern staple. It boasts a thick texture and tangy flavor, thanks to fermentation. Labneh is packed with protein and beneficial probiotics. It's made by straining full-fat yogurt with salt for 12-24 hours. The result? A smooth, spreadable cheese rich in protein and live cultures for a healthy gut. Serve Labneh swirled in a bowl, drizzled with extra virgin olive oil, and sprinkled with za'atar and fresh herbs. Add toasted nuts for crunch, skip the chips and dip with cucumber, carrots, and bell peppers. It's a simple, elegant, and healthy dish that's easy to make at home. Enjoy a taste of the Middle East and nourish your gut. Next we head north on our culinary adventure. Our final stop, Iceland, home of Skyr. A thick, creamy, protein-dense dairy that's technically a cheese. Made from skim milk and unique cultures, Skyr is strained for maximum protein and minimal fat. Its mild flavor and probiotic content make it a gut health champion. Build a Nordic-inspired bowl. Start with Skyr, add berries like blueberries or raspberries, and sprinkle with pumpkin or sunflower seeds. Drizzle with birch syrup or honey, and add a pinch of cardamom for warmth. Skyr's simplicity and nutrition keep you full and focused. It's a modern superfood rooted in tradition. Thick, creamy, and packed with protein. Skyr is the Icelandic way to start your day. Let's wrap up. There you have it. 5 delicious, protein-rich, probiotic-packed dairy recipes for a healthier gut. From Greek yogurt to kefir, cottage cheese, labneh, and Skyr, each dish is a strategic investment in your microbiome. Fermentation and concentration turn simple milk into a nutritional powerhouse. These recipes are about making smart, tasty choices for your body's ecosystem. A healthy gut supports digestion, immunity, mood, and energy. Experiment, enjoy, and let your microbiome thrive. Like, comment, and subscribe for more gut-friendly tips from Menzone.